Changing the language in the YouTube TV app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings according to your preference. Step 1. Open the YouTube TV app. Launch the YouTube TV app on your device. Make sure you are signed into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Locate the profile icon or the settings guy icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the app interface. Tap on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Select Language Preferences. In the settings menu, look for an option labeled Language or Language Preferences. Click on this option to view the available languages. Step 4. Choose your preferred language. From the list of languages, select the one you wish to use. The app may provide options for both audio and subtitle languages, so make sure to choose the correct one for your needs. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your preferred language, ensure you save the changes if prompted. The app may refresh automatically, or you might need to restart it for the changes to take effect. Now you can enjoy your YouTube TV experience in your preferred language. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the help section within the app.